Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use Perfect Swift to build a Markdown online editor. If you really like our project, please start us on our repo on github.com. Now let's start it. First thing first, we need to create a blank folder to build such a project. For example, ensure you have installed and activate the latest Swift 3.1 toolchain. Now let's get into this folder and use the Swift Package Manager to initialize a new project. Then we can build it as a perfect server. Okay. Now your folder is ready. We start to edit all the source code. We will start it from the package.swift. Please adding a dependency after this line. And the major version is 2. The second package shall be the perfect markdown. It's time to edit the main.swift. We need to import a few libraries. The first thing first is perfect library itself, the core library. Then we will import perfect HTTP for the protocol. Then after that, we shall import perfect HTTP server. The last library we need to import is perfect markdown. Okay, so let's start with the server programming. We need to start a server like this. And if anything wrong, we will throw out a fatal error. Okay. Now, let's talk about the configuration data. First thing first, it's an array and can consist of few servers. Okay. And actually, the only server we need is this one. Can give a random name like localhost, and the port number. How about 8080, and the routes. We can make a few routes like that. First is the API, okay? API and handler. And we will forward all other requests to static files. Yes. Server.handler. And this handler will use a specific folder for the documents. Okay. Now, let's go back to the handler. And it will return like this. Okay. Yeah, we need to fix a bit. We should use post, I think. Yeah, one post, one get. That will be pretty cool, right? Okay. Then we will get the post string from the request. Now let's move on. We will set up the web root folder and start to edit the home page. It's time to set up the UTF-8. It's pretty important if you want to input some characters other than English or use a specific module. Yeah, you have to do it. Before using the script, we need to handle the body part. Every time in keyed up, we'll try this. Okay, now let's go for the script. The send method is just use a specific fetch. Okay. After this fetch, we'll then return the response. Then we'll set the response. Okay. It's very simple. We need to get the results. The first time when the prompt is performing, we need to return the response text, then use the response text to set the output inner HTML. Well, that's all. So, shall we have a try? Okay. Once you can see that the HTTP server localhost on 00008080 starting, now we can use browser, any kind of browser to open it. For example, open HTTP localhost port 8080. Now start, yeah, we can find that browser and we can have a test. Hello. Yes, that's beautiful. Go smaller. Thank you very much.